ITW Fluid Products Group, manufacturer of Rustlick products, prides itself on providing scientifically advanced fluid products for the metalworking industry. Using superior coolants is only part of the answer to having an effective coolant management program, which will increase tool life, increase productivity, increase sump life, and reduce disposal costs. Our goal is to provide excellent, cost-effective coolant management products as an effective alternative to central systems. From small applications to large operations, Rustlick offers superior coolant management solutions through an integrated program of products, systems, and services. This video will demonstrate the newest addition to the Rustlick line of products designed to help you maximize the life of your coolant, the SC3000 Coolant Skimmer. An overall coolant management program involves preparation, ongoing maintenance, and proper disposal. Rustlick's SC3000 Coolant Skimmer is a cornerstone of ongoing sump maintenance. It effectively removes tramp oil from the coolant and aerates the mixture as well. This video will help you with the installation and operation of Rustlick's SC3000 Coolant Skimmer. Installation of Rustlick's SC3000 is simple and easy, requiring just minutes to accomplish. Take the machine out of its shipping carton and read the instructions carefully. Apply Teflon tape to the threads of the nipple on the coolant return outlet. Connect the 6-foot coolant return hose with the 1 1/2 inch ball valve with the attached nipple onto the coolant return outlet of the sump tank. Connect the 4-foot waste oil hose to waste outlet of the sump tank. Attach the magnet of the skimmer float to the sump or the SC3000 machine. Place the hose in the sump to allow the skimmer to float horizontally and without obstruction. Note the plastic elbow with the hose attached is the bottom of the float and will be under the coolant mixture. Fill the tank of the SC3000 with the proper dilution of clean, fresh coolant mixture until the level is about 2 inches below the waste oil outlet. Place coolant return hose into the sump using the magnet to help hold it into place. Place the waste oil hose into a waste receptacle. Connect the intake hose to the skimmer float hose using the quick connect supplied. Be sure the coolant return ball valve and intake line ball valve are in the open position. Attach air supply to filter regulator on inlet side of the pump. The air pressure is preset at the factory, but a slight adjustment may be required. When the pump primes, a whirlpool will form at the intake of the skimmer float. Adjust air pressure to the lowest point possible without losing the whirlpool effect. The slower the system operates, the better it will perform. Running the system too fast will not allow the tramp oil to separate from the coolant. When clear separation of tramp oil and coolant appears, tilt the waste oil outlet found inside the tank into the position that drains oil out through the waste oil hose. When the tramp oil has been removed, tilt the waste oil tube back to the upright position. The tramp oil should be removed daily. To ensure proper flow, the filters must be removed and cleaned or replaced periodically. If a whirlpool does not form when the air pressure is increased, the filters are probably clogged and must be cleaned or replaced before continuing. A second pair of filters is included with the SC3000. When replacing filter canister, tighten by hand, then 1/4 turn with the filter wrench to seat it properly. Cleaning should take place regularly to allow the coalescing media to be effective. The Rustlick SC3000 Coolant Skimmer requires minimal maintenance. To clean the unit, open the drain valve and drain coolant into a clean container so it may be reused. Close drain valve and fill with Rustlick Cleans-All solution. Open drain valve and drain cleaning solution. Close drain valve and refill with the proper coolant mixture. The Rustlick SC3000 Coolant Skimmer is now ready for use and will provide you with years of useful service. The SC3000 is effective in removing tramp oils and aerating your coolant. Tramp oils cut off oxygen to the coolant, which reduces the coolant's effectiveness, and if left untreated, will make the coolant rancid. By removing floating tramp oils regularly, coolant life is extended. Unlike standard wheel skimmers, the SC3000 can remove tramp oil and aerate the coolant while your machine is running. The Rustlick SC3000 offers portability and can be used for virtually any sump, regardless of accessibility. Through a set of floating tramp oil skimmers, the tramp oil is sucked into the SC3000, removed from the coolant, and emptied into a waste receptacle, while the cleaned coolant is returned back into the sump. Good sump maintenance practices include aerating the coolant when the machine is not in use. This allows the biocides in Rustlick's coolant to do their job to prevent bacteria and fungal growth. Rustlick's SC3000 coolant skimmer performs this function well. The portability of the unit allows it to be moved to service multiple machines with ease. As the floating tramp oil head removes coolant and oil into the SC3000, it aerates the coolant during the tramp oil removal process. Always dispose of coolants properly. Consult your local state or environmental protection agency regulatory office for guidelines. These telephone numbers are listed in the phone book, or ask your Rustlick representative. The ITW Fluid Products Group is so sure the SC3000 coolant skimmer is a useful addition to any machine shop, we offer a complete factory warranty. We hope you have found this video useful and informative. By using Rustlick's SC3000 coolant skimmer, a machine shop can greatly reduce disposal costs and increase productivity. Consult your local Rustlick representative with any questions you may have.